Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be reviewing Erik Laneley. Erik Laneley is a race starter for the World Grand Prix. In Cars 2, he's seen waving the flags at the race in Tokyo. He is a 2009 Honda Civic FN2 generation hatchback that's painted white with the World Grand Prix logo. There are paint on his doors, a modification to his front left rim to hold the flags, and a rear license plate that reads, well, I'm not going to read that, since some of it's in Japanese and I can't talk Japanese. However, Erik's artwork on the packaging of the first international, edition of his diecast model depicts him as a 2008 Fiat 500 with a black toupee roof. Like Luigi, over here. In London and Italy races, the flag flavour is different, unlike what many flags think. And here are some fun facts. He's named after Cars 2 staff member Erik Laneley. And when Erik was in Tokyo, he's a 2009 Civic. However, the flag bearer in Porto Corso is seen as a 2008 Fiat 500, which could be why Pixar chose to animate him so. And this 2017 diecast release has the artwork of Fiat 500, despite all of his releases being on the bottom. So, let's have a look at his, more in-depth look at him. And as you can see, he's a more, caricatured form of a Honda Civic, which I like. And look, he's got a little globe. World Grand Prix globe on his bonnet. And as I previously mentioned, the World Grand Prix logo on his doors. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the changes Pixar have made to the original Civic in real life. Well, look at it, and as I said earlier, I'm not going to read the number plates in Japanese, but they got the Honda logo pretty much. They got the Honda logo spot on. Oh, I'm actually surprised about the front. Whoa, they got that spot on as well. Wow. I respect Mattel for that. Well done. Honestly, I do. Honestly, well done. Wow. There you go. Fuel filler cap, and wow, I still can't get over being Mattel. You added that much detail to it. Like, wow. Brilliant, man.